Yo.
All right, Jenny, here we are, June 2nd. How you feeling?
Good.
Ready to do this transformation?
Ready.
Let's go ahead and step on the scale and see where we're at today. All right, we're at 188.6. So we will see you back. Go ahead and stay on there until that prints out, and we will see you back in 6 weeks.
Okay.
20 plus pounds lighter?
I'm going for 30.
Oh, that's awesome. Love to hear that. All right, good luck.
Jenny, we're here to check in for our 6-week transformation program. In 42 days, we're looking to lose 20 pounds, and we started this program at 188.6. Well, I know you're anxious, so let's go and step on there, and let's stay on there until it prints us something out. And you crushed that. 164.2. Congratulations. Awesome. Great job. More than 22 pounds lost. 22.4 pounds lost. Awesome. Congratulations. Nice. Great job, Jenny.
Thank you.
.com transform set. Let's change.